Introducing the 2019 Audi RS5. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. All of the premium features expected of an Audi are offered, including leather upholstery, power front seats, an automatic dimming rearview mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, a headlight cleaning system, and seat memory. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.